1 pot chicken pilaf. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon sunflower oil, 1 small onion, chopped, 1 large or 2 small boneless, skinless chicken thigh fillets, cut into chunks, 2 teaspoons curry paste, choose your favorite, 1/3 of a mug basmati rice, 2/3 of a mug chicken stock, 1 mug frozen mixed vegetables, half a mug frozen leaf spinach. Method: heat the oil in a frying pan, then fry the onion for 5 to 6 minutes until softened. Add the chicken pieces, fry for a further couple of minutes just to color the outside, then stir in curry paste and rice. Cook for another minutes. Pour in the chicken stock and throw in any larger bits of frozen veg. Bring to the boil, lower the heat, then cover the pan with a lid. Cook for 10 minutes, then stir in the remaining veg. Scatter over the spinach, cover, then cook for 10 minutes more until all the stock is absorbed and the rice is tender. Give everything a good stir, season to taste, then tuck in.